High above the clouds, where precision meets power, a new Predator takes flight. This isn't just another helicopter. It's a symbol of dominance, engineering, and adaptability. This is the Airbus H175M, the multi-role military marvel redefining what's possible in the skies. Born from the legendary civil H175, the H175M is designed for battlefield readiness. Every inch of this machine is built for performance, power, and protection. Under its skin, two Safran HE Artidan 3C engines, each producing over 2,000 horsepower. Together, they deliver unmatched lift and speed, over 165 knots, pushing through storms and dust with effortless control. Its Helionix avionics suite turns the cockpit into a digital fortress, equipped with 4-axis autopilot, synthetic vision, and real-time situational awareness. It doesn't just fly, it thinks, predicts, and protects. The modular cabin transforms in minutes, from carrying 16 armed troops to life-saving medevac missions, or high-command VIP transport. Every mission, every environment, one aircraft. And when danger strikes, armored protection, self-sealing fuel tanks, and infrared countermeasures keep crews alive against modern threats. The H175M isn't just a helicopter. It's the future of military air power, combining the grace of a falcon with the strength of a storm. From disaster zones to combat fronts, it moves silently, swiftly, and decisively. Because in modern warfare, victory belongs to those who can adapt and strike first. So next time you look up and see a shadow cutting through the sky, remember, it might just be the Airbus H175M, the silent predator of the modern battlefield. If powerful machines and military innovations ignite your curiosity, like this video, subscribe, and stay with us, because we're just getting started with the world's most extraordinary aircraft.